Welcome to the Omni CMS video tutorial on gadgets. A gadget is a tool that provides additional functionality or streamlined access to functionality when working on a site. Some gadgets are available from the dashboard and are covered in that tutorial. Some more useful gadgets can only be accessed from the gadget sidebar. The gadget sidebar is located on the right-hand side of the screen and can be expanded or collapsed. Click the plug icon located in the top right corner to show gadgets. Some gadgets will only appear while previewing or editing a particular page. Edit a content area to view more gadgets. You can also manage the gadgets in the sidebar by clicking on the gear icon. From this screen, you can toggle the display of gadgets by clicking them. Active gadgets will display with a check mark. You can also drag and drop gadgets to reorder them. Click on a gadget title to expand or collapse it. The dependency tag gadget allows you to view information about these types of tags in the system. Search by dependency tag, staging path, production URL, or asset name. This will reveal lots of information about that item, including the name, path, tag, and any subscribers that are using Dependency Manager to link to it. The Page Info gadget shows information about the current page, including dependencies or items that this page is using. Page Parameters provides quick access to page properties like the header, hero, and side columns. Some gadgets are more helpful when editing pages and creating content. The Images gadget provides quick access to your site's images folder. From here, you can insert or drag and drop images from that location into the editor. Snippets and Assets gadgets both provide another method of inserting those items into a page from the sidebar instead of the WYSIWYG editor toolbar. Some gadgets were created specifically for WKU websites. Use the Placeholder Image gadget to generate a placeholder image for your page while working on layouts or designs. The Icons gadget allows you to search and select style options and insert thousands of different icons. Search for the icon you want to add by name or tag and click Search. From the list of results, click the icon you want to add to the page. This will bring up the customization menu. Select the color, relative size, and any other options. See our best practices page for details about these options. Once you have selected all the options, click the Insert icon to add the icon to the page. Please note, when editing, the icon may not reflect the final output. Always save and preview your icons. To add icons to components, such as button links, use the Copy Icon Name button to add the icon name to your clipboard. Then paste it into the component field. If you have any questions or need further assistance, contact the ITS Service Desk at 270-745-7000 or visit wku.edu/its/contact. For examples, best practices, and other helpful information, visit wku.edu/omni-cms.